Hi, in this video, you'll be learning how to link a Facebook page with a Facebook group. Just before we head straight into the video, if you're new to this channel, you might want to consider subscribing to the channel and also turning on the notification icon. You don't want to miss out on any of our latest updates. And if you find this video helpful, you want to give us a thumbs up as well. Now, let's head straight into the video. Now we have Facebook. You want to head straight into the Facebook app, and in your Facebook app you want to go straight and ensure to have switched to your Facebook page, not your personal profile. Switch to your Facebook page. I have switched to my Facebook page, so you want to click on the profile picture there of your Facebook page. Now what you need to do is you want to head straight to where it says group. Click on that. This is my Facebook page, I said earlier. So now you want to search you want to search the Facebook group you want to link to your Facebook page. You want to use the search button here. Now the group I want to link is, all right, so I have that there. So I have to join. All right, I have already opened my Facebook page. Then the group I want to link to the page, I need to join the group by sending an invitation. So I click on join. Now that I've clicked on join, then I have to go back and accept the invitation on my other group. Then I have to switch to my personal. I have to switch back to my personal profile. And in my personal profile here, I just head straight for groups, and here's the group. I have switched back to my other personal profile and accepted the invitation, and as you can see now, I have linked my Facebook page to my Facebook group. You can see the pop-up here, and that's how it works. Find this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. I look forward to seeing other videos. Bye for now.